All right, what is up, YouTube and Premium? We're going to go over today's trade. So we were looking for shorts. We had Asia below. We swept London pre-market. So I was expecting a pullback. We got that pullback. We took our first trade right around here. It was some choppy price action. Probably shouldn't have taken that trade. But yeah, we ended up going into I think 5 to 10 points of profit before it stopped us out 10 points. But then we caught this trade right here. We had the pullback on the higher time frame leg. Right around, yeah, this higher time frame leg of the gap, basically. We got the 0.75 reaction there. And once we had that 0.75 reaction, we also had a -2 area lined up with that 0.75. Beautiful reaction there. We come down to the lower time frame right around here. This computer is crapping out on me, so it might be a little laggy. But we get the 1 minute OTE, 0.79. Beautiful rejection. We enter off the rejection there. And I signaled this to premium. And we get about 60 points right there. And then some news came out, and it boosted us all the way up, and we just started longing for the rest of the session. I was still looking for shorts, but I knew that, when you have a day like this where we just keep going up and up and up, you take your first trade, take your first or second trade. If you lose, you win. Take those and get off because, chasing the short in this condition right here, you would have got your accounts blown. But yeah, that's about it. Short bias just because Asia was below, true day open as well. We already swept London, both sides, pre-market. You could have took shorts down to London if you were up around 7 a.m. But I also did signal these on the plane, so my analysis wasn't the best, especially with that first one. Obviously, I probably shouldn't have called this first trade. But yeah, for the rest of the week, I will be on premium on my computer. I'm probably going to go buy a new one for the rest of the week from Best Buy or something, because this one overheats for no reason, and I spent like $2,000 on it. But anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. No TikTok streams this week. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.